Hello, hello, hello. Wake up, wake up, wake up. I'm getting ready to go sleep. My shift just ended. I just came back from Nashville and we're headed to Carolina again. I'm gonna go sleep. It's so cold in here. And I need to report this in the company that this heater don't work too good. So I'm wearing my toboggan and I got leggings and I got pants and I got undershirt and I got long sleeves and I got jacket. I don't want to get sick. Oh Lord. And the car ready to take off here in a minute. So I'm gonna buckle up. Good night, everybody. Life of a truckers, bouncing around in this cage. Night, you all. I'm getting hungry, but I don't wanna get out. It's too cold. The Loves is just down the road. I could park over there, but no, I don't want to eat. I'm getting fat. Fat as a cow. It's all saggy now. Good night, you all. Be careful, truckers. Night, night.